Good afternoon, dear friend and colleagues. My name is Antonina Panca Yunimlandari, and my team is Tiani and Angela Dia Ari Pramatianingtyas. We are from Psychology Department, Pinus University. Thank you for listening to our presentation or research with the title A Descriptive Study on the Resilience of University Students during the COVID-19 pandemic in Jakarta. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic reached Indonesia as early as April 2022 until at present. The pandemic made several impacts in the educational sector, including higher education. Learning as conventionally processed in face-to-face become online. From the aforementioned challenges, it could be concluded that the kind of challenges experienced by students related to 1. Financial. Tuition fee as well as being equipped with devices necessary to support online learning such as a laptop or mobile phone or internet credit. 2. Technical, such as internet network, educators and students skill is using several kinds of media of learning. 3. Human resources, students' ability to keep up with online class, accepting the assignment given, and the ability to accomplish them in the deadline set. 4. Psychological, student feeling under pressure become of the increase in workload without much elaboration for their instruction, and student experiencing difficulties with communicating the difficulties with their instruction. All the aforementioned challenges, we are needless to say, for from the ideal and the context of learning process often impact students in negative way, and it's a stressful situation for students. Due to this, students were required to have resilience to be able to face such challenges during the pandemic. Research question. Based on the introduction of the present study on the experiences of university students amid the pandemic, several challenges related to online learning were revealed that affected them, especially that play a role creating a sense of hopelessness and stress. Because of this, university students were required to have resilience to able to face the various kind of challenges that the pandemic brought. From the aforementioned research problem, the present study research question was formulated as such: how is resilience of university students in Jakarta during the COVID-19 pandemic? Objective of research. There are several objectives that the present study attempt to achieve. They were as follows. 1. To obtain a descriptive of the resilience of university students in Jakarta during the COVID-19 pandemic. 2. To provide a baseline of resilience of university students in Jakarta amid the pandemic to influence policy made on the university level as well as the recommended duty with regard to managing online learning. Literature study. Resilience could be understood as a positive adaptation in particular conditions. Sander and Lopez. According to Campbell, Seal, and Stein, resilience representative of positive adaptation in facing stress as well as trauma. Resilience was also taught as an individual capacity to remain in state of well-being and be able to find productive solutions when faced with difficult or trauma that could bring in stress is one left. Percival and Settle. In short, resilience was taught to ability to face challenges. Resilience could be observed when an individual faces a difficult experiences and still able to find way of facing or adapting to it. Rogers. According to resilience therapy magic box model from Hart, Vilenko, and Thomas, there are well found 5 main conceptual areas. 1. Basic refer to most necessity in life. 2. Belonging refer to an individual ability to create a positive relation with families and friends. This proves to be a key factor in the formation of resilience. 3. Coping refer to ability to better formulate a strategy to face with a situation. 5. Learning refer to not only that took place academically at school but also helping being able to recognize one's skill, talents, and interests. 5. Co-self refer to interpersonal self, which means the ability to help another being as much as building one character. Methodology. Research design use a quantitative research and use of the descriptive approach to provide a description about the variable. Sampling technique, the optimum at the present study, 232 participants, the non-probability sampling design was used, especially the accidental or convenient sampling was used in this technique. The researchers include the most convenient participant availability. Research instrument was RAT, internal consistency 0.91. Research result. Participant in the research was female with 183 and male 49. Looking at diagram, frequency of score on the dimension in the RAT could be seen that the concept dimension had the higher number of frequencies when compared to the other dimension on resilience. This suggested that in general, the participants had good resilience despite having their basic needs unsatisfactorily met. Conclusion and discussion. Conclusion. For the description of the participant resilience, it could be seen that the concept had the highest number of frequency when compared with the outer dimension of resilience. This suggested that in general, the participant had a good resilience although the basic needs were not satisfactorily met. Discussion. It could be said that the resilience score among university students in Jakarta from the present study was high. This conclusion was in support of the study conducted by Noor and Alwi, where the researcher found that individuals who were more resilient had higher level of well-being and were able to adapt to challenging environment. This means that university students in Jakarta were able to deal with the difficult situation at the section of the experiment as response to COVID-19 pandemic. This was also in support and the resiliency theory that resilience was able to face with challenges. Resilience could be observed when an individual experiment and difficult experiment and yet could still be able to deal with or adapt to it. The participant of the present study were university students in emerging adult age group in this development stage. An important aspect of development with resilience that an emerging adult would show in transition toward a more positive development. Thank you.